Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Linzer Landscaping is losing its monopoly status because a new competitor just entered the city. We need to find the most likely economic outcome quickly. When horticultural experts enters the market, the original firm no longer has total control. This new competition provides customers with more choices, which directly impacts the demand for Linzer's services. This entry shifts Linzer's demand curve to the left and makes it more elastic. Because they have fewer customers and lower prices, their market share and overall power will definitely shrink. As a result of losing these customers to the new firm, Linzer's total revenues will decrease. That makes option B our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs of competition, trust given facts, and check your steps carefully.